Celebrating Ganesha Chaturthi in Australia, a decade of gratitude, joy, and Karnataka delights. 10 years ago, I started a ritual that has grown into one of the most cherished traditions in my life, celebrating Ganesha Chaturthi here in Australia. It's not so much a religious observance as it is a time for reflection, gratitude, and connection. It's my way of thanking dear Ganesha for all my happiness, peace, and blessings that have filled my life over the years. A way of sharing a piece of home, which is Bangalore, with my friends here through food, laughter, and joy. Whether I have friends over or keep it low key with just my family, the essence remains the same, offering my heartfelt thanks for the good that has come our way and for the great things yet to come. Sharing Karnataka flavors with my friends here in Australia brings so much joy, and it's my way of connecting not only with my heritage but with the people around me. September in Australia is springtime, which adds another layer of beauty to the celebration. This time of the year brings such vibrant flowers to play with when decorating Ganesha's little space. I take time to clean the entire home before adorning him with fresh blooms and fruits. There's a joy in gathering these seasonal flowers and arranging them in a way that feels special, an offering of nature's beauty alongside my gratitude. Ganesha's presence at home during this time reminds me to slow down, to acknowledge the small and big blessings, and to be fully present in the moment. In many ways, September has become synonymous with good things, and it's my little prayer that I do each year with 101 Ganesha shlokas. many ways, September has become synonymous with good things, a time for celebration and reflection, and a time for looking forward with hope. Celebrating Ganesha Chaturthi has become a grounding ritual, a way of reminding myself to appreciate the present while embracing the future with open arms. So, here's to 10 years of Ganesha Chaturthi celebrations in Australia, a decade of delicious Karnataka food, of decorating home with flowers and fruits to honor springtime, and always looking forward to the joy and blessings that lie ahead. Thank you for watching.